Airplanes weigh thousands of kilograms, so why don't they fall? There must be some force keeping them up. The main reason is a force called lift. Airplane wings are specially shaped, curved on top and flatter below. Air moves faster over the top and slower below the wing. This creates low pressure above and high pressure below, and that pressure difference pushes the plane upward. That's lift. Engines push the plane forward, helping air move over the wings. That's thrust. When lift balances gravity, the plane stays in the air. That's why planes don't fall.